And now we're gonna have our famous sketch, Burger Town Heights. So I hope you like this, and here it goes. We can pause it and then mix it.
No, just hurry up and go. Hey.
Move away from us. Get the baby.
Hurry up.
Okay. I haven't ate in a while. I think I'm gonna go on me. Don't cry. Shh. Quiet. It's okay.
Oh my god, I thought you guys were all prepared and stuff. What the heck?
Hi, it's my burger shop. Why are you zooming in on me? Zoom in on her.
It's not zoomed in.
Hi. Could I get a high chair?
A high chair? Here it is.
Oh, perfect. Come here.
Do you want?
a high chair?
Here's your menu.
Thank you.
I'm kind of scared right now, so I'm gonna back away slowly.
What you talking about, homie doggy? Can I get the fish dish and everything else?
Okay.
It's okay, baby. Don't cry. It's okay. Hurry up. Hey.
I'm gonna cut this.
You guys got me to record this.
Okay, so as you can see, I'm cooking for this weird fat lady.
She's talking about anywhere.
She's picking her nose. But okay.
Like, that looks so fake.
Agent, put the camera on me.
Okay.
Well, do I get the appetizer?
No.
What? Whatever. What's the baby gonna have? Give her pizza.
It's been 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Put the camera on her. And there you go for the little top. And that pie should be done. No, lady, don't do it.
You got a fat belly anyways.
Okay, well, I'll take these and just relax yourself.
Don't cry.
Is it almost over? It's been 3 minutes.
15 minutes?
3.
Shut up.
Get out of the restaurant. We gotta close down in 3 minutes.
What?
We gotta close down in a few minutes. I gotta shut the camera off.
Stop recording.
Come on, buddy. Get out. Get out. Why?
Why?
I'll cut you.
Get out of here. Get out of here. Go, Tay Tay.
Go in over here. I cut your baby's neck.
Shut up, fool. She was a fat baby. I'm like, what you gonna do? What you gonna do?